Hey everybody, it's Sherry here with L'Amour Pours, and today I'm going to do a really quick video of a pearl pour. We're calling it Modern Magic, and I sped this up 6-7 times I think, so that you would not have to sit and wait for those pearls to develop, but they did, and I'm really honing in on this technique and getting less pearls and more color in the painting. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch. I really hope you enjoy. Well, here we are with the finished painting, and if y'all remember when I started this technique, I had cells everywhere, thousands of them. So I'm very happy that I've gotten the negative space in there, a focal point in there, and I've got those beautiful pearl cells, but they did not take over the color. The color turned out just vibrant, beautiful. That combination just works really well together. So I'm really happy with this one. Thank you so much all for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.